Meet the VB Days Dosa Chef. Let's begin by unboxing your Dosa Chef, the patented, groundbreaking innovation in dosa making. First, we have the VB Days Dosa Chef itself. Next, you'll find the user manual, which provides step-by-step instructions for setup and use. Be sure to check the manual to confirm that all parts are included. You'll also find the warranty card for your product's protection. The cleaning kit includes a microfiber cloth and a nozzle needle to clean and maintain your Dosa Chef. This groundbreaking Dosa Chef features both non-detachable and detachable components. Before we get started, let's explore the VB Days Dosa Chef components. Metal lid, control panel, anodized aluminium batter roller, batter tray, metal body, ceramic roller, nozzle, blade, dispensing tray. Oil dispenser, connecting rod, collecting tray, place your VB Days Dosa Chef on the counter. Clean the ceramic roller using the provided microfiber cloth. Plug in the power cord and switch it on. Once powered on, the machine will automatically enter standby mode. Fill the batter tray with dosa batter and securely attach it to the Dosa Chef. Or pour the batter directly into the tray. Fill the oil dispenser for easy oil application. Use the menu button to set the temperature. Use the menu button to set the dosa count. Use the menu button to set the oil usage. Use the menu button to set the cooking time. Refer to our control panel demo video to learn more about the features and functionality. Once the ceramic roller reaches the right temperature, dosa making begins. Press and hold the cleaning button to dispense extra oil. When the dosa is ready, a countdown from 3 to 1 will appear on the display. The dosa comes out of the ceramic roller onto dispensing tray and then the collecting tray. You can cook up to 4 dosas in one batter tray batch. If left idle, the machine will enter standby mode. Press the cleaning button to remove residues. Turn off the power and unplug the Dosa Chef. Allow it to cool down for 20 minutes, then wipe the ceramic roller with the provided microfiber cloth. Let's explore the control panel, designed to make dosa cooking simple with just a few buttons. Power button. Use the power button to turn the machine on, off, or to enter standby mode. Temperature. Use the menu button to select temperature settings. Adjust the temperature using the up and down arrow buttons. The temperature ranges between 160 to 190 degrees. Dosa count. Use the menu button to select the dosa count. Adjust the dosa count using the up and down arrow buttons. Oil usage. Use the menu button to select the oil dispensing settings. Adjust your oil usage preferences, such as high, low and off, using the up and down arrow button. Reset option. Press the menu button to navigate to the reset option. Choose the up arrow button to confirm reset. On confirmation, Done is displayed. Cooking time. Adjust the cooking time using the up and down arrow buttons. The cooking time ranges from 30 to 100 seconds, adjustable by 5-second intervals. Play pause button. Press the play pause button to pause, resume or start cooking. Cleaning button. Press the power button to bring the machine to standby and press the clean button to remove the residues from the ceramic roller. Follow these simple maintenance steps. If the dosa chef doesn't start, press the reset button on the power cord. Press the clean button to remove any residues and crumbs from the ceramic roller. Use the nozzle pin to clear any blockages in the oil dispenser. After the dosa chef has cooled down, take out and wash the batter tray and batter roller under running water. Press the clips on either side of the tray to remove it from the dosa chef. Wipe the dispensing tray with a clean cloth. Kindly request you to look at the user manual to know the do's and don'ts of using the dosa chef.